slept about as good as you would expect 4 people to sleep in that right there. So this is Guy George Outdoors, and we are at the river and we are camping out. I've got my girls, I've got my wife, I've got my niece and nephew, and this is our first time carrying our girls. They're 5 and 3 years old camping, and I'm gonna show you around, show you how we camp. We're gonna do some fishing, we're gonna do some metal detecting, we're gonna do a little bit of it all. We're grilling some hot dogs, some sausage. So it's gonna be a good weekend. If you've ever thought about carrying your girls camping but you weren't necessarily set up for camping, you wanna make sure you check out this video. If you would, hit that subscribe button. Now I'm gonna show you how we're camping this weekend and what we're gonna be doing. Hopefully we'll catch some fish tomorrow, but either way, we're gonna have a good time. The Canucci ain't a whole lot of water, as you can tell. It dries up pretty good bit, but we're down here at the river lot. Now, I do not have a camper. We have a 12-foot enclosed trailer, and we have an air conditioner vented out of it. And we brought a couple of twin mattresses in there, so me and my wife and the girls are going to be sleeping there. Nephew and niece right there, and these girls are down here taking their bath.
Not really. Strawberry soda?
Strawberry soda, strawberry Fanta. There's my 5-year-old, there's my 3-year-old, there's my niece Ezzy.
Hi.
And they are playing in the river. Doesn't get much better than that. Got my wife searching for something. She hasn't found anything yet, but she just started. Although we do not have water, we do have power. Me and Dad got here a little earlier today and strung lights all throughout the trees. So that's going to provide us plenty of light after dark. We set the fire pit up. Got Mom and Dad. They're grilling, hanging out with us, but they will be going to the house tonight. They're not cut out for it anymore. Nathan's Hot Dogs, M&T meat sausage. If you haven't been there, you need to go. And we're even gonna throw a pizza on there for the kids. And we're back here. So that is our camp setup. We're gonna have some fun with the kids. We're gonna finish grilling hot dogs, eat them, maybe catch some catfish, snuggle up. Tomorrow morning, the kids are gonna play. Me and Uriah are gonna head up and down the river fishing. You know, sometimes it's the simple things in life. This whole trip didn't cost us very much money, just some stuff we already had. We stole some mattresses, so that's what we enjoy. So hope you enjoy the rest of the video. We just grilled hot dogs. I'm sitting right here at the on the sandbar. Kids are behind me playing. I've already caught 3 little catfish, nothing big, but they're good eating and just doesn't get much better than this. We got the worms sitting on bottom, and we're gonna see if we can pick up a few more catfish while the kids play. Great evening. I think we're dealing with some small catfish. Bumping it. All right, get it now, get it now, get it now. Hold up. Look at that. Look at that. Took a few minutes to get him. He's teasing around with us. That's number 4 for us. Pretty cool, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
All right, right here by the campsite. They're over there in the trailer playing Go Fish. Me and him are over here catching fish. Perfect, and you gotta take him off.
No.
And look, they're in there playing Go Fish. Well, we made it through last night and we slept about as good as you would expect 4 people to sleep in that right there. So otherwise can't complain. It actually got down into the 60s, so it was nice and cool. We turned the air conditioner off. My niece Ezzy said she slept on 3 stumps over there, but we done got up, had our morning coffee. We actually brought the Keurig with us. And let me go ahead and tell you something let me help you out there. Grilled donuts. We had some Krispy Kreme donuts, threw them on the grill. Amazing. That made the breakfast snack of champions. But the kids are already down here at the river playing. Already, this is what they came for.
A baby.
I don't know if you can see that, but that big old gray heron right there. But me and Uriah are gonna grab the trick worm and see if we can catch a couple of bass. We're gonna walk up and down the river, but the girls are having a good time playing. If you know me, you know this is rare. I'm fishing with a pearl fluke, mostly because my nephew's right here with me and he's fishing the bubblegum tripworm. And I like fishing with a variety of different baits to kind of see which one the bass are really hitting. The bass bite has not been good yet this year, but hopefully it'll start picking up. All right, let's see if we can pull something out of this hole. Oh, something got it. Something hit at it. Hung me up. That wasn't real big, I can tell you that. It might have been a bass, but it wasn't the bass I was after. There he is. Oh man, I missed him. That one was a good fish there. We can get back in there on that one. That was a good bass. Damn it. A pokey nose. Let me come look at him. I think he's a warmouth. Nephew just caught something, which is the best we've done so far. He says, not a bass, he's got a pokey nose. What does a pokey nose mean? Oh, that's a jackfish.
You don't want him?
He said he's got a pointy nose. He does. So that does describe him pretty well. These are some really cool fish. They got some sharp teeth. That one Dad caught yesterday could have ate this one for lunch, but look how big their mouth gets right there compared to their body. The one Dad caught yesterday could have ate this one as a snack. But good old jackfish, gotta love them. He's off. Some people love to eat them. I'm not, they're not my favorite.
Right, that's what I'm
Pokey nose.
All the trash.
You know, I could help them with the tent, but I wouldn't be doing them any justice. Wouldn't be teaching them anything. So I'm gonna sit back, get me a nice Mountain Dew while they finish putting the tent up.
Then go, Silver State's put in the bike.
Well, I feel like I've been camping for about 2 days now. Camp trip's over. The worst part is always the cleaning up, but we just about got it done. Great time this weekend. We caught some catfish, caught some fish, played in the river, made sandcastles, made s'mores, grilled hot dogs, and that's really what we enjoy. It didn't cost much to have a good weekend with my kids, but I hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna finish getting some things wrapped up. If you would, hit that subscribe button. To the next one, this has been the unofficial, no doubt incomplete guide, George Outdoors.